Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Another bullish day for us until the very end there, sort of choppy in the middle, sell the rip sort of day, but we did have a lot of calls on the board, so for the most part, we continued to see every single dip get bought up till that very late day, but we're sitting at about 636 in the overnight session, which doesn't matter if you're not trading futes, but that's about where we are. So we're up again, a little over $1.50, and we finished with a small, very small red DEX right here. So interesting to see that we finished with that small red DEX. Jumping into our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Whale targets move up to 635, and the lower target's now 620. So a bit of a smaller range than we had all the way down at that 600, which is now not on the board. Customers slid up here a little further away from the sell the rip mode right there, and they've been wrong for so long. Maybe we actually get a dip at some point because they have indeed been wrong for so long. Jumping into our dark pool, SIG print 633.9, 633.8, ton of prints in that area right there. I just combined them all into the 633.8 and use them as important points of price contention. Still sitting around 627 for our largest on the ag dark pools. Continue to build upwards. 635 I don't believe was on the board yesterday last night we made this video, but now it is. Mark them all on your charts or use the dark pool bot ping in the Discord like I do. Jumping into gamma, sort of the same thing that we've had. 634, we stay above it. We've got room to 640 now. We break 640, my goodness, it's 650. If we lose 634 on the ag, 629 is the spot. Currently, the biggest pull on the board is 630. We'll see how that pans out tomorrow. Let's check tomorrow's expiry. A lot of times we do know that the Friday expiry and the ag look a little bit alike, so we'll take a look and see. So not too much different there. 629, 630 is still the biggest pull. 634 is still our break point for downside, so a bunch of bearish flow, and we can't hold 634. Then we move on down to 629. If we hold 634, a small bar here at 636, which we're over currently, over or right at an overnight session. So really we pass that and we stay above it, then we get into that 640 range. No sweat. Some clear ranges there, no big deal. We'll take a look at the ag one more time because it's really the one that I spend most of my time looking at during the day. 634 up to 640, very thin gamma, so we can move abruptly. We lose 634, we head on down to 629. Easy look across the board there. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.